Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to rotate edges of image in Photoshop step by step. First, launch your Photoshop, then go to File and then Open and select your image file. Second step, in the layer panels, if your image is named background, then you can lock it and click the lock icon to unlock it. So once you've done that, the third step is from the toolbar on the left, click and hold the rectangle tool, or you can press U. Then choose round rectangle tool from the drop-down menu. Then fourth step is on the top option bar, set the radius something like 30 pixel, and this control how round the corner will be. The fifth step is draw a round rectangle shape over your image that's covering the entire canvas or the area you want to round. Sixth step, in the layer panel, make sure the shape layer is above your image layer. Right-click the shape layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This will crop your image to shape with round corners. And the seventh step is go to File and go to Export and go to Export As, and you choose PNG format to keep transparency around round edges, and then click Export. And that's it. You now have an image with round edges. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in the next video.